Beautiful.
That's pretty awesome. About the time you get your feet dry, it's time to get in again.
If the water was warmer, you could just walk up the river.
Yep. Got my rubber socks.
Ooh, I got my poles to balance with, which makes it pretty easy. Whoa, look at the stuff over there.
Yeah.
Up and coming.
Starts off deep.
I'm gonna put my hands up. Good thing it's such a sandy river.
Right?
It'd be hard to cross if it was really rocky.
Ah, let the stinging fade. Pink feet.